Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for marble cake. This is vanilla and chocolate cake marbled together, but it is made from one single recipe. So let's get started.
Let's look at our ingredients. We need 1/3 cup or 70 grams of butter, 2/3 cup or 150 milliliters of oil, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 3 cups or 375 grams of flour, 1 cup or 225 milliliters milk, 6 egg whites, 1/3 cup or 30 grams of baking cocoa. If you've seen some of my other recipes, the method will look rather familiar. Begin by separating the eggs and collect the egg whites into a large mixing bowl and beat them to stiff peaks and set them aside. Then, in a separate bowl, cream the butter. Add oil and cream together. Cream in the sugar. Add baking powder, salt, and vanilla. Add the flour in 3 parts, alternating with milk in 2 parts. Then fold in the egg whites. Keep the bowl you used to beat them handy though. We will need a separate bowl in a moment and that one will work well. Up to this point, this is basically my vanilla cake recipe. But we wanted to make marble cake. So at this point, split the batter into 2 bowls. Here's where you can use the egg whites bowl. Then fold the cocoa powder into one of the amounts of batter. Try to fold gently so as not to knock out all of the air from the egg whites. Then, in a greased and lined cake pan, add the batter a tablespoon at a time into the pan, alternating the colors. Once the pan is full enough, use a skewer to marble the colors together. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 35 to 50 minutes depending on the size and depth of the baking pan, or until a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out clean. Here's the inside. You should be able to see the white and brown marble together. It's really lovely. It has the fluffiness of my vanilla cake with the chocolate flavor of the cocoa. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.